Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will explain you what is LooksMax AI and how to use it. So let's get started. So basically, LooksMax AI is this. So LooksMax AI is a AI where you can upload your face photo and it will analyze that, and it will compute with AI and tell you what skincare you need and what you have to need and what exercises you have to do. So this is LooksMax AI and it has been developed by the developers. So at here you can just upload your photo by here, okay, and then you can click on the result section. Then here you can just click on your photo. Then to get the result, you can just invite your friend, or you can upgrade the pro with some amount. By here you can do it, and it's a very easy app to use, and I will recommend you to use. So if you have any question, you can let me know in my comment section. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe, and share the video. Thank you for watching.